Welcome to our new video. Here, we will show you how to use the risk dashboard in Data Touch. Data source risk and user risk analysis are presented with a general perspective and date filtering option. All data sources are listed according to risk score, and the 6 with the highest risk score are shown in the dashboard. Click View All Data Sources to see all data sources with details. The dashboard displays the top 6 users with the highest risk scores. Click View All Users to access the full list and detailed data sources and users. When you click on the information icon from Actions column of any data source or user, the Details page appears. Data source risk contains risk analysis only for data sources. It can be sorted in ascending or descending order according to the risk score. User risk contains risk analysis only for users. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.